In this short AI tutorial, I want to show you what short AI is and what it actually does. So if you're someone thinking about getting started with it, you'll know exactly what it's going to do for you. Now, just before we get into it, if you haven't yet got Short AI and you want to help support this channel, I'll leave a link down in the description. I'll also leave some free resources too. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Okay, so let's get straight into it. First of all, what is a short AI? Well, it allows you to bulk generate AI short form video to automatically grow your channels. This works for places like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So I think it's a pretty cool tool. Now, if you come down, it creates these types of videos, right? And these videos tend to get millions of views. It's actually pretty nuts. So what I'll do now is show you some kinds of videos that it actually creates, right? So channels like this, where you can see if I click on popular, 14 million views, and all it's really doing is talking with an AI voice on screen with a little bit of graphics. It's pretty nuts to know how much these videos can actually get. And if you're wondering what kind of revenue will these actually be pulling in, then we'll go back to this first channel, Joe Vite. Actually on Social Blade, if we look at his stats, it's saying yearly that he could be making up to $7.5 million, estimated monthly 256,000. I'm not sure how accurate it is, but even if it's just 10% of that, that's an incredible number. So once again, these types of videos, right, where it's like conversations. We've also got these types of videos. This one's in a different language, and you can see they grow really well. Here's another one. Once again, this is like a type of post on a platform like Reddit. So pretty cool stuff. If you actually stick with it and do what it recommends, then you're probably going to start seeing some success. So let's quickly look at the pricing so you know what you're in for. So of course, I recommend going on to the Pro plan if you're serious about it. This will give you 90 faceless videos for the month. So this is pretty good. I mean, you can pump out 90 videos. By the end of it, for just $30 a month, you'll know if it's actually going to work or not. So this is what I recommend, because these channels actually don't have that many videos. This one's got quite a few, 753, but this one's only got 360. This one's got 910. And this one's only got 110, and you still got 263,000 subscribers. So you can grow pretty quick. So what I'm going to do is go into my dashboard. This is the platform right here. And here are the different types of videos that you can create, right? So if you found a good Reddit post that's had a bit of traction, what you can actually do is link to it inside of the Reddit story, and it will create it into a post with all the comments and bits and pieces. You've got this fake texting one, which is really popular. It's like having a conversation with a person. Or if you just want to create a story video, you can come inside here, paste in your own script. You've got your own custom hook if you want to use it, and your own custom CTA. Or if you just want to pitch an idea to the AI script, it's actually going to go ahead and create one for you. So for example, if we were going for long form jokes, you could click on long form jokes. You could put a hook in here if you like a specific hook, the different type of video ending you want, if you want to direct people to particular types of traffic like DMs or something like that. And then you've got your video length, 30-60 is probably enough, and you can go ahead and generate a script. So it's really cool. So what I'm going to do for this example is show you how to do it with the fake text one. I've actually just created one here. Sorry, not right there, inside of my projects, but I'll show you from scratch. So come to fake texts. Inside here, this is like the conversation type of one. And the reason this one really caught my eye, I'll pull up the example and show you, is on this stream of the day channel. This first video here was, sorry, on the popular tab, 13 million views. Absolutely nuts. So I'm going to try to recreate something like this and actually post it to social media and see what happens. Okay, so to do that, all we need to do is either, once again, create the script manually. We could also ask AI to write the script for us. If we choose another platform to write the script for us as well, we can actually just paste it in here. And then finally, you can go ahead and copy an existing video if you just want to create your own version. Now for this example, I've actually gone and got ChatGPT, so I'll just pull up what I wrote. Okay, so this is my script, and it says P1 and P2 is basically left and right. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy all of this text. And for this, what I did was I grabbed this as a reference. I pasted it inside of the copy existing video, took the script, and then I took it into ChatGPT. So a little bit of work to get it here, but I'm pretty happy with it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and paste in the script like so. And I don't believe it works well with emojis. And so what I'm going to do is just put and just change it, and then something like this. So let's go ahead and click paste script. and now it's gone ahead and created it for us. Now, what I recommend you do is actually have a little read of it just so it's put it in properly. But I think it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, click on next, and then I'm going to go and choose my style. You can see it's got all of these Minecraft looking things. And honestly, when I was researching these channels, I started watching them and I felt that these were actually really captivating. So the text was being read to me and I was watching someone play. That's why I think these videos do so well. So I'll choose this one, click on next, and you can choose the type of text you want. So I'm just going to choose this one here. I believe you can change this, but for the sake of the video, I'll just keep moving forward. So I'll click on next. And now we've got some options for voices. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to hear this, but I'll quickly play it, see if you can hear it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today...
Okay, so that's Brittany. So that's the left character. And then what we want to do is obviously come to the right character. This time to narrow it down, I'm going to choose gender male, age is young because she's young. And I'll try Jerry.
Clint Eastwood is an iconic American actor.
So that sounds pretty good. So I'll choose Jerry and we've got Brittany. Perfect. Now you can also choose your background music. I'll just leave it on the first one for now. And I'm going to go and click on generate video. So now I'm just going to pause the video and see how long this takes to actually create. All right, so that took about 3 minutes to actually create. So it takes a little bit, but here is the end result. So this is what it looks like.
Wait, you said you were a vet?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, then why is there a llama in your bathtub?
Long story.
Make it short.
I was walking past the zoo,
And
this llama looked me dead in the eye like it needed me.
you stole a zoo animal
I rescued it.
and brought it to your apartment?
I had leftover kale.
Are you gonna get arrested?
Only if they check my bathtub.
And,
Also, technically, I'm not a licensed vet.
bro,
But I do have 3 seasons of Grey's Anatomy under my belt.
jail.
Okay, but be honest. You've never wanted to kiss a man with a llama.
I mean, maybe once.
Come over. He's got shampoo in his eyes.
This is so illegal.
So is love?
All right, so you kind of get the idea, which is pretty cool. So now that we've actually got that, we can actually create a post to post it to our different social medias. So what I'm going to do is click create post. Now, previously before this, I actually integrated my YouTube, my TikTok, and my Instagram. These are brand new accounts. Really interestingly, just want to see what happens. So you can either save as draft, you can schedule the post, or you can post now, I believe. So I'm just going to go ahead, click publish now. And let's see what happens. So I'm just going to go ahead and open these channels. All right, so here is the YouTube video. It is now being added, 32 seconds long. This is today's date. On TikTok here, we've just done this video as well. And then finally on Instagram, it is also posted. So I'm really interested to see what happens once you've actually created a post as well. You can go inside of your dashboard. So I'll just quickly go back to home, come to my projects. All right, and here's some of the videos that I've already created. If I come to publish, you can also see where you can actually schedule out all your posts as well, which is pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is actually just use up all of these credits now that I've already got it and see what happens kind of after I've posted it. I'll probably get my VA to do it. But this is how you create it, right? Reddit stories, fake text, AI stories, or you can have dialogue generator, and then that whole thing is pretty good to go. So I mean, if you create some videos and they even want to get 10% of what these other channels are getting, you're going to be making a substantial amount of money, which is pretty cool if you can get monetized, which these guys seem to have. So I imagine they're getting a lot of traffic. If you can also create affiliate offers or direct people to offers as well, that would, generate some income in the long run. I also think this is a really cool tool as well. I'm excited to see what my results are. Once again, if you want to test, try it for yourself as well. Highly recommend editing the scripts a little bit, maybe playing around with some prompts to make the output a little bit better. But if you want to test it out, make sure you use the link in the description. You'll be helping support the channel. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this short AI tutorial. If you did, smash the thumbs up button, and I'll see you on the next video.